Can you tell me the last question that we did yesterday?
Sir, the last question was question 11. So we were, sir, the question 10 was the car reached, the car left town A at 10:45 and reached town B in 2 hours 30 minutes.
Okay.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Okay, so now note down one more question.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Note down the next question. A car
Sir, I am 8th class. Sir, please tell me what is the first question?
What is the? This is the first question going on.
Okay,
This is the
sir.
first question. Note down the question. A car left town A and reaches town B A car left town A and reaches town B in in 3 hours 40 minutes.
Sir, where is the question?
I am dictating the question. We are doing the first question for today. Yesterday we had done till question 10. Now we are doing question 11.
Sir, what was the time the car left town A?
Sorry,
So what
Abhiyan,
was the time when?
Abhiyan, what are you saying?
Sir, please repeat the question.
Yes, I am repeating the question. Why are you joining so late? A car left town A and reaches town B in a car left town A.
Sir, please write on the blackboard.
Nine, you have to note down in your copies. I am dictating it. A car left town A and reaches town B in 3 hours 40 minutes. 4040. 3 hours 40 minutes.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, what was the time when the car left from town A?
But that time is not given. The time at which the car left town A is not given. Okay, I am repeating the question. A car left town A and reaches town B in 3 hours 40 minutes. Full stop. If the car.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. If the car reached town B at. If the car reached town B at if the car reached town B at 7:15 p.m. 7:15 p.m. comma reached town B at 7:15 p.m. comma 7:15 p.m. 7:15 15 7:15 p.m. comma at what time the car left town A? At what time the car left town A? At what time the car left town A? Are you all doing the question? You are done?
Sir, just doing.
So my answer is coming 4:05 p.m.
4:05
Huh? नहीं 4-5 p.m. How but
Sir, please tell the correct answer.
Sir, my answer is coming 3:25 p.m.
So my answer is coming 4:15 p.m.
Okay, let me tell you how to do this.
Sir, my answer is coming 4:15 p.m. Sir, my answer is coming 4.
Sir, 4:05 p.m.
The car reached at 7:15 p.m. Okay. And what was the time taken in the journey? How long was the journey? What is the
3
time?
hours.
40 minutes.
So 3 hours 40 minutes.
3 hours 40 minutes.
Sir, 3 hours 40 minutes.
The journey was of 3 hours 40 minutes. Okay. So what you will do in this? You first convert this in 7:15 p.m. You convert this in hours and minutes. So take it as 7 hours 15 minutes. Okay. And then you convert it in minutes only. Convert this time in minutes. 7 hours 15 minutes. मैंने इसको 7:15 p.m. की जगह I have written as 7 hours 15 minutes. Now I will convert this in minutes. So how do you convert in minutes? Multiply 7 by 60 plus 15. So this is equal to 7 into 60 is 420. 420 plus 15 is 435. 435 minutes. Okay. Now what? Now you convert 3 hours 40 minutes also in minutes. 3 into 60 plus 40. 3 into 60 is 180. 180 plus 40 is 220. This is 220 minutes. Okay. Now 435 minus 200. You all know that you have to subtract in this. ये तो सबको समझ में आ गया that you have to subtract.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so you have to subtract the 2 times. So 435 minus 220 gives you, what is the difference? It is 215 minutes. 215 minutes. Now you convert 215 minutes again in hours and minutes. How do you convert 215 in hours and minutes? You divide 215 by 60. 215 divided by 60. So 3 times 180. The difference is 35. 35 is the difference. So 3 hours, 35 is smaller than 60. You cannot divide. So 3 hours, 35 minutes. This is 3 hours, 35 minutes. Now this is 3 hours, 35 minutes. Now you write this in the form of time. That means the car left town A at 3:35 p.m. The car left
Sir,
town
I
A.
was saying this only.
The car left town A at 3:35 p.m. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Have you all understood how to do this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Can you
sir.
do
Yes,
the next
sir.
one also? Can you do the next one also?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. But sir, by the help of first one only.
So note down the question. The question is same, but you have to change the timing. The car reached town B at, instead of 3 hours 40 minutes, you will make it instead of this, you make it 2 hours 45 minutes. And instead of 7:15 p.m., you can make it, just make small changes in the question. Instead of 7:15 p.m., you will make it 4:35 p.m. The car reached town B at 4:35 p.m. and the time taken from reaching town A to town B, it took 2 hours 45 minutes. So at what time the car left town A? Okay, just make small changes in the question and do the question.
क्या हुआ? अरे गलती, अरे So what is the next question?
Beta, instead of 3 hours 40 minutes, you make it 2 hours 45 minutes. And the car reached town B at 4:35. ये दो changes कर लीजिए and do the question.
So we can do town A as town E and town B as town C.
नहीं बेटा, write the same towns.
Sir,
Hello.
Sir, I have a query, sir.
Yes.
Sir, if sir, this is for if we are converting these two numbers in minutes, and sir, then sir, the upper number is coming smaller and the lower number is coming bigger. So sir, what we will do?
I will tell you what to do in that case. Don't worry. Okay. Don't worry.
Sir, I got the answer.
I also got the
Sir, the answer is 150 minutes. 1 hour 50 minutes.
sir. My
150 p.m.
My
150 p.m.
Sir, my answer is also this 150 minute.
Very good. 1:50 p.m. 4 hours 35 minutes. When you convert this in minutes, this will be equals to 275 minutes. Okay. You can check your answer, all of you. And 2 hours 45 minutes. When you convert this in minutes, this will be
165 minutes.
165 minutes. And the difference of 275 and 165, the difference is
Sir, 110 minutes.
110 minutes. So when you change 110 minutes in hours and minutes, you will divide it by 60.
We'll divide by 60.
Sir,
One time, the remainder is 50. So this is 1 hour 50
sir,
minutes.
1 hour 50 minutes.
1 hour 50 minutes, you can write it as 1:50 p.m.
So my answer was also correct.
My answer
Okay.
is correct.
The answer is 1:50 p.m. Clear? One more.
Yes, sir.
Have you all understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Question 13. Again, change the time. The car took how much time? You have to change the duration of the journey. The car took 3 hours 30 minutes. So just a small change will be there in the question. A car left town A and reaches town B in 3 hours 30 minutes. In 3 hours 30 minutes. Okay. If the car reached town B at 2:15 p.m. The car reached town B at 2:15 p.m. At what time the car left town A? The car reached town B at 2:15 p.m. At what time the car left town A?
Sir, please repeat the question.
A car left town A and reached town B in 3 hours 30 minutes. टाउन ए से टाउन बी तक पहुंचने के लिए 3 hours 30 minutes लगे कार को. ओके so if the car reached town B at 2:15 p.m. reached town B at 2:15 p.m. at what time the car left town A?
Sir, can you please repeat the question?
A car left town A and reached town B in 3 hours 30 minutes. Beta, the question is same. I have just changed the times. And reached town B in 3 hours 30 minutes. At what time? At what time? Sorry. If the car left town, if the car reached town B, if the car reached town B at 2:15 p.m. At what time the car left town A? क्वेश्चन सेम है, बस टाइम को चेंज कराया मैंने. Now there is a little difference in this question. थोड़ा सा change हो गया question because here this time is smaller than this. उल्टा हो गया यहाँ पर. What to do in this case? In such cases, what you will do? आपको इसमें से ये माइनस करना है, but this is smaller. Am I right or not? Are you getting my point? देखो
Yes,
question क्या है? Let me first explain the question. Let me explain the question. I am going to explain the question. ये है टाउन ए. यहाँ से कार चली and the car reached town B. Town B पर at what time the car reached town B? That time is given. The car reached town B at 2:15 p.m. टाउन बी पर 2:15 p.m. पे पहुंच गई. टाउन ए से कितने बजे चली थी? नॉट गिवन. At what time the car left town A is not given. This is what you have to find out. But रास्ते में कितना टाइम लगा कार को टाउन ए से टाउन बी तक पहुंचने में? The time taken by car is 3 hours 30 minutes. The car took 3 hours 30 minutes in the journey. जर्नी में कितना टाइम लगा कार को? 3 hours 30 minutes लगे और टाउन बी पे पहुंची कितने बजे? At what time? 2:15 p.m. Now you have to find at what time the car left town A. This is the question. Now the problem here is this time you all know that from this you will subtract this. सबको पता है 2:15 p.m. में से 3 hours 30 minutes minus करना है. Do you all know this or not? कि इसमें से ये minus करेंगे.
Yes, sir.
But what
Yes,
is the
sir.
problem? This is smaller. ये तो छोटा है. How will you do this now? So what you will do in such cases when this time is smaller, you add 12 hours in it. 12 hours इसमें add कर लो. So you will get 14 hours 15 minutes. What you will get? 14 hours 15. 2 में 12 और add कर लिया. 2 hours में 12 hours और add कर लिया. In such cases when the time is smaller, this time is smaller. जब आपको इसमें से minus करना है. In such cases, you add 12 in the hours. 2 hours में 12 hours और add कर लेंगे. कितना बन जाएगा? 14 hours. कितना हो गया time? 14 hours 15 minutes. Are you getting? Now, is it bigger than this? But when you are adding 12 hours, अगर यहाँ पर time PM में है, तो आपका आंसर जब निकलेगा, the time will be in AM. Instead of PM, your time will be in AM. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now the rest of
Yes,
the
sir.
part you all know. 14 hours 15 minutes. You first convert this in minutes. 14 hours 15 minutes. 14 into 60 plus 15. So this is equal to 14 into 60. What is the product? $84, 840 plus 15. So this is equal to 8:55 minutes. And what is 3 hours 30 minutes if you convert this in minutes? Three into 60 plus 30. 3 into 60 is 180 plus 30 is 210 minutes. Okay. Now subtract 8:55 minus 210. This is 645 minutes. So 645 minutes. So when you change this in hours, The answer will be 10 hours 45 minutes. Am I right? 10 hours 45 minutes. Ten hours 45 minutes. Okay. So 10 hours 45 minutes. When you change this in
Yes,
time,
sir. 10 hours 45
when you change
minutes.
this in time, what will be what are you going to write? 10:45 p.m. or a.m.? 10
Sir, AM.
a.m. because हमने यहाँ पर 12 hours add करे थे. So whenever the number is smaller, instead of p.m. you will make it a.m. अगर a.m. है, पहले से a.m. था और छोटा है तो आप इसको p.m. बना लेंगे. 10:45 a.m. Got it, all of you?
Yes, sir. Got it. Yes, sir.
Okay, write down another one of the same type. Same question it is. Just change the timings. The question is same. You just have to change the time. I'm going to erase this from the board. Are you all? Do you all? Have you all done this? Written this in your copies?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, wait a minute.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Done. Take the screenshot if you have not done. If you have not done, take the screenshot. Keep your mics off.
Sir, I don't understand that how the answer is 10 hours and 45 minutes.
10
Sorry.
a.m.
Yes, sir. Sir, how the answer I does not understand.
बेटा एक बात बताओ, मॉर्निंग में एएम होता है या पीएम होता है टाइम, ये बताओ.
Sir, it is AM, but sir, I am asking this.
Listen. That is what I am explaining. सुनो मेरी बात, मुझे पॉइंट पे तो आने दो. In the morning, the time is you till it is 12 p.m. जब तक आप 12 o'clock पर पहुंचते हैं मॉर्निंग में, before 12 o'clock, the time is written in AM. Right now, what is the time? What is the time it is? Right now, अभी टाइम क्या हो रहा है? Tell me the time.
9:33 AM.
9:33 a.m.
9:33 a.m. The time is 9:33 a.m. When it will, the time will be 12 o'clock. यानी कि 12 hours के बाद the time will be written in PM. So 12 o'clock के बाद the classes will get over at what time? The classes get over when the last period is over. The time is 1:15 p.m.
15 PM.
1:15 p.m. पे time over होता है.
1:15 p.m.
So 1:15 p.m. से if I have to subtract 2 hours, 1:15 में अगर मैं 2 आवर्स सब्ट्रैक्ट करूंगा, देन मैं 12 o'clock से पीछे चला जाऊंगा. Am I right or not? 12 o'clock से पीछे चले जाएंगे जब हम उसमें से 2 आवर्स सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे. 1 o'clock में अगर मान लो टाइम 1 o'clock AM है, 1 PM है, if the time is 1 PM and if I want to subtract 2 hours from it, that means मैं 12 o'clock से पीछे चला जाएगा टाइम. Am I right or not?
Yes, sir.
तो 12 hours से पीछे चला जाएगा, then we will write time in AM or PM.
AM.
Got it? Why we are writing the answer in PM?
AM.
So now that I have made some changes in the question, 5 hours 40 minutes and the car reached town B at 3:40 PM. Find the answer. The car reached town B at 3:40 PM.